Hello, I'm Anthony, and this is Bad Idea Metals. Today, I built this. It's a really sturdy work table. It's about 10 times the workspace that my desk used to be, which if you remember, sat back over there. I wanted a place to be able to store some equipment, some projects. So this video is pretty much the time lapse of me putting this thing together. It really wasn't too terribly hard. I did draw up the blueprints myself. I did make one critical mistake. I made it too tall. I was thinking, oh, a 44-inch, 42-inch, somewhere in that range would be perfect because then I could rest my arms on it and work and I wouldn't have to bend over. I don't know if I've mentioned it on the channel, but I've had a back injury recently and leaning over has been a little bit tough for the last 6 months. So, I was looking forward to a desk where everything was a little bit taller and I outsmarted myself. Any project that I would have to look down into, it was going to be too tall. So after it was built, I ended up taking the legs and cutting about 8 inches off of them. So if you like what you see in this video, please like and subscribe. Here's your time lapse. Bye.